Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove an object from the video only with the CapCut. So the thing that we have to do is just go click the clip and take a look on this bottom side. Let's just find the duplicate tool, and then we just need to go click the duplicate right away and make them become an overlay, and let's just drag this overlay clip so that they will have the same duration and the same position with the original clip. So the next thing we need to do is just go click this clip and go take a look on mask tools, and then you just need to find mask. Right after you found the mask, you just need to go click it. So now we just need to choose the shape. I will like to use this rectangle since I want to hide this lamp, and you just need to isolate the closest area with the object that you want to hide here, and then you just need to go doing adjusting. Take the smallest part, and after you got it, you just need to go click this checklist button, and you just need to drag into the specific area that you want to hide the object. And here is the result. So that is the way how to remove an object from the video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.